In our last video, we specified the background color of the div using inline style. In this video, we will see how we can do that using the Tailwind classes. So I'm just going to remove all the other divs and I'll also remove this style. In order to specify the background color, the CSS class is bg hyphen followed by the color that you want to give. So in this case, I want to give blue. And then as we see over here, we have these 9 shades from 100 to 900. So let's go for this 500. I'm going to save it, and if I refresh it, we see that this div has now got the background color of blue. Let's try with all the range that we have. I'm going to define 9 divs, and then I'm going to give each of the shade available from 100 to 900. And now if I reload it, we see that as the range is increasing, the blue color is becoming more and more dark. So that is how easy it is to specify the background color. We just need to use the class bg hyphen followed by the color and then followed by the range. If you want, we can also change this blue to, let's say, red. And if we now reload, we see that we have got divs with red background. We can also go for, let's say, gray, and there we go. So this way we have got a lots of options for the colors. We just need to specify the color and the range, and we do not need to go into our CSS file and see which all color options are available and which classes we need to use in our HTML corresponding to those colors. Tailwind makes it so easy using this syntax. Now remember, for white and black we do not have any range. It is simple bg white and bg black, and there we go. We won't see the white background, and for the black background we are not able to see the text, but we know that the background is black for this one. Same way as we have specified the background color using the bg classes, we can also specify the text color using this same syntax. Just instead of bg hyphen, we need to use text hyphen, and then we can use the same syntax. So if I give it a white, this one will have a white color, and we can do various things. For this background color of 900, I can specify bg gray 300. In fact, it should be text gray 300. And now if I reload it, it gives me a nice combination. So by now you would have some idea as to why Tailwind CSS is popular. So far we haven't had to check our CSS file, we haven't had to define our own classes, and just by looking at the HTML we have got a good idea as to what each class is doing. So if you are joining a new project, it is very easy for you to check what each class is doing just by looking at the HTML code. You do not need to go from HTML to CSS file to see the definition of each classes.